All right, what's going on, my beautiful people? Richard Hairston here. Haven't done a video in a while, but I wanted to share with you 3 top 2-tier affiliate programs for 2024 and 2025 that I have been involved in just this year alone. And I wanted to share them with you just in case you're looking for an affiliate program that actually have 2-tier commissions. And what that simply means is, once you bring someone into the system, and if that person or those people that you bring in generates a sale, then you earn a commission from them as well. And I love these types of systems simply because, if I ever run out of time where I don't have time to do anything, I know that I have, people on the back end that's still marketing, still promoting, whether it's on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, don't make any difference to me. As long as they're bringing in sales, I'm going to earn a commission. Now, the commission would not be as large if I brought the person in personally, but it's still commission, and it ranges somewhere between 5, 10, 15, 20%, depending upon the company, that actually offering the 2-tier commission. And so I love 2-tier commission simply because you always have people who are marketing or promoting on the back end, okay? And once you get those people in, you can help them get results, okay? Then you can kind of set back and relax a little bit, once you come to that income level that you want to, and let your people do it. Now, this is not network marketing. This is only 2 levels deep, okay? So if you join me and you bring in Jim, then you can earn this amount, but I'm going to earn that amount. And it all depends upon the amount that you earn, depends upon the company that you're with. But I'm going to share with you 3 of them that I'm using and that I feel like, that's going to be the business for anyone to join right now in 2024 and 2025 and beyond, because the ones that I'm about to share with you have been, 2 of them at least have been on the internet in business for quite a while. One of them just came out earlier this year, or the latest of last year into this year, but it's still a great program to join. So with that being said, let's go ahead on and get into this right now. All right, so the first one I'm going to share with you is the OLSP system. I've been with this system for a while right now. You can see the commissions up at the top. So far, I've earned $5,738.39 with them, okay? But I want to show you the 2-tier commission. I'm going to explain how you can get that. Now, if I come over here and just go down to 50, then you can see the dates, September 25th, all the way down, and it just keeps going. 2-tier commission, which means I have not really, this month and last month was a busy month for me, so I didn't have a lot of time to, actually promote OLSP and things of that nature. But some of the people that I brought in or that joined me in OLSP, well, you can see here, they were making commissions, okay? And when they earn a commission, I earn a commission. And the beauty of OLSP is, depending upon, you have to be at a certain level. You have to be team builders in order to earn 2-tier commissions. Now, team builders can run $199 per month, or you can pay for it one time, okay, and you're good to go. You don't have to pay anything monthly, but you earn 2-tier commission. I made a decision to just upgrade one time and it's done. So you can see the 2-tier commissions here that I'm earning from the efforts of other people and not just from the efforts of my own, okay? So OLSP is one of those systems. The next one I want to show you is a rapid profit machine, okay? You can see the referrals that I have here, okay? This is a system that I really just joined. Well, I've been a member, but I really didn't promote it until they actually came and, set up the system in a different way. But if you see, I have 27 total referrals, leads 60, conversion rate, okay? This is a 2-tier or tier 2 commission as well on different products in here. And So this is another system, but this system have a bunch of different products in here that you can sell. So you earn two-tier commission within the Rapid Profit Machine system, but you also have the opportunity to earn other affiliate commissions in here as well. Okay, so this is another two-tier program that I recommend, for especially for a beginner. Okay, either the OLSP system or the Rapid Profit Machine, because the OLSP system, you can come in for free, okay, and then you can start off low like I did and then work your way up. The Rapid Profit Machine is free as well, okay, so you just become affiliate for these programs in here as well. And anytime someone purchases something that's in the RPM system, you earn commission. Now, not all of these, I want to make this clear, not all of these are two-tier commission, okay? Not all of these are two-tier commission. As you see, I'm not an affiliate for a lot of these products yet, but I will be soon. But you can earn two-tier commission once you become a member here. You're automatically set up. You just simply follow the 3-step. So this is the second two-tier commission affiliate program that I recommend. The third one is Master Affiliate Profits. Okay, I love this system right here. We're still in phase 2 right now, but even as a free member, okay, you can earn as a free member. And in order to earn two-tier commissions in this system, you have to be a backer. So I'm a backer. I invested the $700 some to become a backer. So that allows me to earn two-tier commission. And when you are a backer, okay, you earn 25% two-tier commission on any of the products that are sold within this system. So these are 3 of the systems, that I'm using, or affiliate program that I'm actually using, to earn residual income. Now, there are some other programs that I'm involved in, that offer residual income, but they are not tier 2, which means that even if the person you bring into that particular affiliate program, if they make money or promote and they get sales, you don't earn anything off of them, from them, and offer their people that they bring in. Okay, so this is what I love about these systems right here. Now, these are not the only ones. Okay, there are some other two-tier affiliate programs out there. You just have to do your search. I'm just showing you the 3 that I'm comfortable with, the 3 that I enjoy, the 3 that are working for me, okay, and things of that nature, because what's working for me may not work for you. But if you learn the skills and develop the skills and apply the training in each of these systems, okay, this system has training, this system has training, this system has training, okay, then whatever you promote, regardless if it's, tier 2 or not, then you can earn commissions off of that, okay. So these are my, 3 top tier 2 affiliate programs for 2024 and 2025 that I recommend to even beginners. Especially as a beginner, I would start with the OLSP system or the Rapid Profit system. Now, I would not start with, the Master Affiliate Profits yet, because you may not be at that point, where you can invest to become a backer. But once you become a backer, then there's no monthly fees for you and anything like that. And you get to earn two-tier commission. But you can get into either one of these programs wherever you feel comfortable, okay? So you can do that by looking in the description below. I have a link to each one of these systems. The beauty of it is, once you become a member of OLSP system, to get the two-tier commission with the team builder software, you have every tool that you need in order to be successful. Autoresponder, page builder, built-in business in a box. Okay, Rapid Profit Machine is the same. Okay, you're going to get access to, you know, some different resources and things in here that you can use, and you can tie all of this back into the OLSP team builder, and even with map as well. So with that being said, I hope you got some value from this video. Go ahead, look at the links in the description, choose which one of those are right for you. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, like the video, share the video, leave me a comment below. If you have any questions, my information, my phone number will be above, or you can text me and give me a call. I'll be more than glad to point you in the right direction. With that being said, I want you to have a great day today and a better day tomorrow. Peace.